All right, everyone, a quick update on render. So render's looking good here. Low to the high on the small fib here on we can go to the 3-day candles just to see it a little better. But you're sitting right on top of that 382 at about 524 here. All the candles are dipping below, but ultimately what you have in play here on render, of course, you can see it is still in this downtrend marked with the yellow line there. But as long as you have this structure here, that is what you call bullish to push the price higher here. So it looks good. We've seen a lot of things with the very similar structure here, and they've been getting some nice little pumps. So I would just keep it that simple. Looking here, if it does not hold the 382, which you can see this wick almost hit the 0.5, it could still come back to the 0.5, but I'm liking what I see here with the slightly higher lows on those smaller candles there. So in my opinion, it looks good. It looks like you're going to hold pretty much where you are. And once you break over the 236 at 578, that'll potentially break the downtrend, and then we'll see what happens at that point. But we've seen a lot of things. Once they break that downtrend, they'll consolidate for a moment and then they'll start going. So hopefully that is the case on render here. Now, with that being said, where is render going to end up this cycle? One other thing to point out before we move on is if we just fix the chart here really quick, and if we draw a fib from the low to the high here, I'm trying to get this to where we can see the other larger fib here with this automatic on. So we hit the 786, and if we go low to the high, there's also a 0.5 here. So it looks good off of the bounce, looks good off of the structure here. And then where's this thing going to end up once it breaks 877, breaks the downtrend, and breaks these previous highs back here? Of course, the next potential stop for a good target would be an 8.8 billion market cap here at about 2250. Right now we're sitting at about a 2 billion market cap on render. And if you're not aware, last cycle this thing did a 41x. So how high is it going to go this cycle is the big question. So you have that there for a 4.5x from today, of course. And then the 14.4 billion market cap up to about 3680 would give you a 7x. And then if you think render can hit a $29 billion market cap, 14x, and that would take you to the 1618 at 74, and that market cap, of course. But you also have to keep in mind that from last October, this thing has already done about a 9x. So how much gas in the tank does render have left here to continue to run? But like I said, it looks good here. It's probably going to have a good spike up very soon. Well, sooner than later, that is. So with that being said, what are your thoughts on render? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.